Today I'm working on a 2005 Pontiac G6, and what I'm going to be doing today, I am going to be replacing the coolant bleeder valve. The old one snapped on me, the top of it. This is the top of the old valve. This is our new coolant bleeder valve, and it's located, the bleeder valve is located right here. I'm going to get you close to it so you can see it, but the first thing we must do is make sure that the car is cold, that the car is not hot at all. And you want it to be sitting for a while, because if it's hot, there's a possibility that it can splash, the coolant can splash on you. So let me get you close, show you how to replace it. I'm going to be using a 10mm socket, and I also put a rag in the side in case the coolant fall. We don't want it to fall in the car. And we're going to do this quickly. We're going to try to do it as quickly as possible. And we're going to put this one by hand. So here we go. So nothing came out, so that's good. And then we just take the new one and just put it by hand. You're gonna go hand tight. And that's it. And you have replaced your coolant bleeder valve on your 2005 Pontiac G6. Later.